This question is from GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering from set 2. The question says, in forced convective heat transfer, Stator number, Nusselt number, Reynolds number and Prandtl number are related as. So these are the four options and we need to pick the correct option among these four options. In fluid dynamics, Stator number is a dimensionless number that measures the ratio of heat transferred into a fluid to the thermal capacity of the fluid. Stator number St is equal to the ratio of heat transferred by thermal capacity of fluid. So this can be written as H divided by rho Cp into V. V is the velocity. Now Nusselt number is also a dimensionless number which is defined as convective heat transfer by conductive heat transfer. Convective heat transfer divided by conductive heat transfer, which is given by HL upon K. Now Prandtl number is defined as momentum diffusivity by heat diffusivity, which is given by Cp mu upon K. And the Reynolds number is defined as the ratio of inertial force by viscous force. This is given by rho VL upon mu. Since we need to find the relation between Stator number, Nusselt number, Reynolds number and Prandtl number, we will write Stator number as St is equal to H upon rho Cp into V. This can be written as H into L upon K multiplied by mu upon rho VL into K by Cp into mu. You can clearly see here that first term HL upon K, this is Nusselt number, and U multiplied by the second term mu rho upon L VL, this is our Reynolds number, right? So this is 1 upon Reynolds number, so 1 upon Re, and the last term K upon Cp mu, this we see here, this is our 1 upon Prandtl number. So this finally Stator number can be written as the ratio of Nusselt number by Reynolds number into Prandtl number, PR. So this is the required relationship between these four dimensionless number. Let's check our given options. So we see here that option A is a match. So option A is a correct answer. For more information on forced convection, you can follow the lecture of Forced Convection 1 by Professor S.P. Sukhante and Professor U.N. Gaitonde from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Bombay.